Hi, in this little video I'm gonna talk briefly how to pack down the xSPINE in the soft bag. It comes with it. Basically, this video is for you that are like a larger operator that extended these telescopic side panels as the vest doesn't properly fit inside the bag without taking them off. So you're done on set. You can leave your front mount in here, that's no problem, it's gonna fit. You take off the strap, like so, and then you remove these side panels. Let the quick pin go back into the back, like so. Don't want to lose them. I'll remove this one as well, like so. These two you just drop in the side panel storage bag. They can be extended all the way, they will fit, like so. Then I take this one, I take my shoulders facing the orange part and just bring down the shoulders, tuck it in like so. You take all your side panel bags and your Allen key tool bags, bring it inside, and for the outer area I take my front mount or my front panel and place it like so, having the carbon fiber spars facing upwards. Place it in, pack down, and you're ready to go.